Well, as far as this unfortunate plane tragedy is concerned that has been reported at the South Korean airport, however, when it comes to the death toll, unfortunately, that has crossed the 100-figure mark. The Jeju airplane carrying 175 passengers and 6 crew members that tragically crashed at the South Korean International Airport after veering off the runway at the Muan International Airport. The flight that was returning from Bangkok lost control during its landing, colliding with the wall with 120 people that unfortunately have been confirmed dead, with many others still reported to be injured and critically injured. However, Srinjoy, news reports coming in of another plane tragedy that has been reported this week globally. And this one, however, the reports of any survivors being found is bleak. 120 people confirmed dead.
More than that, actually, because it was a big plane. The important thing is to now find out what really caused it. And that's very important. Of course, the airline has apologized, but you can't take away the deaths of over 100 people. So it's important to find out what caused the crash. Was there a technical failure? If there is a technical failure, then all other planes of similar make will have to be looked at and see if there is anything weak about that area. Of course, that is if there is a technical failure. There could be human failure. There could be a lot of things. But it's important to find out what actually happened. It's, of course, a huge tragedy. And 2 air crashes for typically different reasons. One over Azerbaijan and the Kazakhstan and now in South Korea. But 2 big tragedies, and this one is a huge tragedy. Over 150 people dead, many more seriously critically injured, and the airline apologizing. And it's such a big tragedy at such a difficult time. And now we will have to find out what caused the accident, and measures have to be taken to ensure this never ever happens again.
Absolutely, because it's another unfortunate plane tragedy that is being reported globally. What happened as far as with the Azerbaijan Airlines is concerned, and now here with the South Korean International Airport that we are reporting this tragedy where 120 people, more than that, as Srinjoy was reporting, have been confirmed dead. Thank you very much for the moment.